This actually seems legit. Celia wearing the Louise uniform and Phoebe wearing, of course, a Charrington Mail uniform, and then I'm wearing the Charrington Mail as well. I could also, I could just do this. Oh, hold on. Ugh. I'm not editing the video because one, I'm just kind of lazy. But I can also edit like before if I just do this. Oh yeah, I had made this dress for a joke, but we just had to design, find the shoes. There, it makes sense now. Wait for this to actually work. I'm actually gonna choose a remote. Oh shoot, my phone doesn't gonna die. And there you go. I hate this.